I'm going to quickly give you a couple more things on here before we go into making a new header. So let's shut this down. Let's go to, so posts, when you add a post, you can add a post that says granola. Wow. And, you know, picture, whatever. I can start writing. And publish it. It currently is showing up on my top here. It's coming in uncategorized, and I can read more, and we'll read granola. Wow. All right, so we've got breakfast, we got home. Let's go back to home. All right. So now we're going to go into my site again, my dashboard, and I'm just going to talk us through some of the different kinds of things. So one of the things with the appearance, every theme has its own different kind of appearance, and we're going to go to customizing this appearance. In this appearance, we can change things like skins. So we've got a default box. I don't know what that one's going to do. Oh, see, it puts everything with boxes. Cool. And default. Okay, those are customized skins. Colors. This you can change the color. I'm going to change this to green. And I'm going to change it to the background image. I'm going to select the background image. I'm going to make it all those pugs. Do not do this. Just so you have a bunch of pugs. And I'm going to have the header color, and I'm going to make that red. All right, publish. This is really ugly. Notice that's unreadable, so let's make it a dark green. You're going to work on making things beautiful. I don't have to. Oh, if I'm using red, I can't do that to myself. Can I have to use I'm going to use a brown tone. Okay, perfect. All right, and I'm going to remove the background image because that looks awful. Okay, so we've done colors. Those give you your colors, your body, and your header background color. I can change that to red. Yeah, I don't know what that's going to do, but we'll try. So play around with these a little bit. Background, body background. This you really don't want to play with too much because you can get yourself into really ugly colors, but you can sort of do that. So I'm doing reds and browns. Okay, we're there. Publish. Right. And it's showing me what I'm doing. All right, so general layout. I haven't used these. It's basically, I would just keep those. You can play with those later. Top bar has a top bar. If you decide you don't want that top bar, you can go in here and, hold on, and top bar, and uncheck it, and there it goes. It went away. Header image, we'll be discussing in the next video. Site identity, this is where you change it to, you know, an artist with pugs. Okay, so there's my tagline. Wow, very nice. And we'll be going into that further so that you can change up your identity. You don't have to leave it with mine. Main notification, we've just done that. This is going to show, I'm going to kill this sidebar icon because I've got this in the center. That goes away. All right. Featured slider, we don't have a slider. You could have a slider. You could do a different kind of slider, and there's a video guide on that. We'll talk about sliders later. Featured links. This would show your featured links. Never have used that. Blog page. This is showing us all the different information. Social media, you can link it to your social media. Typography, you got a couple of options. Font family, robot kit. Kalam. All right, and navigation, I will do it in robot kit. And it changed it up somewhat. All right, italicized. There we go. Oh, ugly. Publish. Again, you want to make this look pretty. I am not in that. Page footer. You can put your copyright right in there. Preloader. This is if you have animations, you want to preload them before the site comes up. Responsive, absolutely. Show featured slider. You can change up how that works. And it's an, let me go back to slider again. So this is showing it's an arrow as versus a text. What that means is if we go here and we reduce the size, it becomes an arrow. If I did it with a text, and I go down here, it will do menu. Up to you what you want. I like the arrow because most people can figure that one out. And menus, you can have your menus in a bunch of different ways. Okay. Oops. Stamp page. All right, I'm going to stop this right now and continue with the rest.